Hi everyone, welcome back. Going somewhere a little bit different today. So apologies for the wind. I thought it'd be a bad day while we have a gap in the rain. It's windy as hell! Yeah, I needed to go to the shop, my local shop. Closed down. Somebody by the National Grid. Fuck, that was fine. So I'm going for a walk to my local retail park. How far away it is exactly. But it is my day off, so we get a chance to triple film today, weather dependent. We're going to get at least one in with this. My issue is walking to the retail park. I end up buying a load of shit. I don't want to walk home with it, to be honest. I will be going to Asda, but there is also B&M, M&S, etc. there. Very reward. We call Paris a reward. Main mission on this trip though is not to get run over. I'm loving the fact that there's still loads of running bulls and carbies about. And weedles. It is going to help in my quest to catch up with other people. Well, I'm not going to look on this video. Finished yesterday and we were just under 400,000 points behind the next person. Although I did notice they had started playing yesterday. So we'll say 400,000 just to be on the safe side. Could be 20, 30, 50,000 either way. Still triple filming. We can bridge that gap slightly. I'm saying I come out in between the rain. Because of the wind, the clouds are moving fast. I just don't know which. I think we'll be good. Well, at least get in there anyway. It's been a long time since I've walked. I'll try and remember. That's what exit is off the dual carriageway. And I can't walk down the dual carriageway. Well, I can, but probably not advisable. Also, I thought maybe going somewhere slightly off route. Oops. There is that possibility, however slim, that I might come across my caboose out on that. Wormhole, we'll take that. I'm going to save my incense for later. I might have got rain. I won't film, but it is what it is. Oh, I know a long route now. Walking it, so easy if you could walk down the A road. I'm sure there's a way. If I get lost, I get lost. So I need to walk down that way. As you can see, there's no Pokestops. have no new research. Probably got some putting that back on that page. Right, 1 second, I'll try and cross this road. I'm going right now. Don't fucking indicate. Cross one part. Now the other side. That's the first I've actually ran. So absolutely no idea where I'm going this way. As I would usually drive. Especially if I'm doing the shopping. Because I'm lazy. Because it was only a mile or two. I mean, I'm more than happy if worm pulls keep pulling up, especially if I can pull out a couple of excellent throws. And have we got? I'll take rates for now. Yeah, there's nothing particular. Oh, we will take another worm pull. I need the worm pull candy. There's a reason I'm catching so many of these. We'll take a couple top. We do need some Pokestops to spin though. I think we really need some Pokestops to spin. You know what? Actually, please don't start doing this to me. Never remember typing, to be honest. I'm not wasting any more of my inventory on you, sorry dude. Can be, but it's male, so we're not interested. That was sexist. No idea. I'm going as direct as I can. And this wind is horrendous. Ooh, Ninkada. This is essentially today. It's just a little boost to the XP, because it is an additional to what I would normally film. Man, will this post please give me a Pokestop? think that gym in the distance and that poke shop are raid locations. Item wise. Not having anybody to revive. Sheesh. Sorry guys, there's not a lot going on to be honest. So I might as well claim me freebies. That's good buddy getting on. At least these apple. So you can actually walk along most of the main road, so I'm sure you can hear the traffic. I mean, do I put my incense on? Yeah. This is ridiculous. We'll use a normal one later. Quite literally nothing was appearing. Skills. And the one and only wormhole. Jeez. I need some hair gel. I really do. Or a haircut. One of the two. Something's appeared. Two things appeared. Oh, it's a swivel. Well, the sun's going in behind clouds. As you can see above my head, we do still have a patch of blue. But apart from that patch of blue, it's looking great. So keep that in shot. Ooh, look at that. Not interested, bro. It'd be nice if you caught a shiny. Haven't caught one since Heracross raid days, haven't we? Technically 2 days ago. Feels like forever. Probably not going to play on my way back because I'm going to be carrying shit, so. Oh, the rains are coming. The blue skies are behind me. So somebody's going to be a wet boy when I get home. Unless I do Steve McLaren and become a Wally in a bowler. Caterpie. Oh, it's not even rain, it's hail. Fantastic. So with the precipitation beginning to come down, if I do get cut off, apologies in advance. The thing is, the retail park is there, and there is not one single goddamn stop. Which to me is ridiculous. Ridiculous! Wow, we're 100% taking our mail though. You know what, we'll take a wind pod too. Across 3 roads without issue there. Phenomenal, right. It's been one Pokestop. Great, so this is no actual footpath up to the retail park. Guess I'm walking in the mud then. Lovely. Shit the bed, fuck off, Wormbolt. Guess who's back? Back again. Kuno's back. Tell a friend. Come down, stop being a twat. Wasn't doing anything, so I had to throw something at him. He's gonna run. No surprise. Village. Okay. We'll check everything else for Chinese as well. Let's just check everything for this. So now I know a route or a place to avoid filming, because other than the random occurrence of the Galarian Bird, which I have no control over, all I seem to have done is burn through my inventory. Right, just 2 more to go. We'll end it. Although blue skies have come back. One last check around, and then we're going to head this way. Yeah, no wormholes or anything new. Right, thanks for watching guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.